Hi, it's Steve. Today we'd like to show you how to change the drain hose extension on your dishwasher. It's a really easy repair. Let me show you how we do it. Now to do this repair, you will need to remove the dishwasher from your cabinets. So the first thing we'll need to do is to disconnect power to your dishwasher. If it has a cord on it, simply unplug it. If not, you'll need to locate the electrical panel and turn off the appropriate breaker or remove the appropriate fuse. Next, we'll need to turn off the inlet water supply and disconnect it from the valve at the bottom of the dishwasher. This will involve removing the lower access panel on your dishwasher. As well, we'll need to disconnect the drain hose from underneath your sink and have something there to collect any wastewater that may spill. The last thing we'll need to do is to detach the mounting tabs at the top of your dishwasher from the bottom of your countertop, and then we'll pull the dishwasher completely out onto the floor where we can do this repair. Now with the dishwasher pulled away from the cabinets, we'll go to the left side, where we'll fish the drain hose all the way out of the cabinets. And if we reach in underneath, you'll find the connector to the internal drain hose. There's a spring type clamp that attaches that, so we'll need to compress that spring and then slide it up onto the drain hose. And simply twist the old hose out of that opening. Now, there may be some water in this area, so I have something to collect that. You can then discard the old drain hose. So we'll reconnect the new hose to that rubber coupling. Make sure it's on all the way to that rib. And then we'll reposition that clamp into that spot right near the end of that connector. We can then route that hose back in underneath the dishwasher and through your cabinets. Now the opposite end of that hose has both a 1-inch coupling and a 5/8 coupling. So depending on what is used underneath your sink, you may need to leave the 1-inch one intact. If not, simply cut that off at that area and use the 5/8 one. So next we'll route that drain hose underneath the dishwasher. And then feed it through the opening in your cabinets. And once we pull that through, we make sure that we have no kinks in it or it's jammed anywhere. And then we'll push the dishwasher back into the cabinets. Now with the dishwasher pushed back into the cabinets, the first thing we'll need to do is to connect the mounting tabs to the bottom of your countertop. We'll also need to reconnect our inlet water supply, and we'll turn that on to make sure that we have no leaks. We'll reconnect the drain to the sink and ensure that we have no leaks there as well. Then we're ready to reconnect the power, and your repair is complete.